Today we are baking Tarta de Santiago almond bars from Spain. This makes 16 pieces and takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes from start to finish. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 2 cups of finely ground blanched almonds, almond flour, for that classic Spanish almond crumb. 1 cup of granulated sugar for sweetness and structure. 4 large eggs at room temperature. They bind and lift the batter. 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemon zest for fragrance. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a traditional touch. 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt to balance the sweetness. 2 tablespoons of Spanish brandy or oloroso sherry, optional but delicious. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for that classic snowy finish. 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter to grease the pan. 1 sheet of parchment paper to line the pan and lift the bars easily. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line an 8-inch square pan with 1 sheet of parchment paper, and lightly grease the parchment and the sides with 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk 4 large eggs for about 30 seconds until they look lightly frothy. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar and whisk for about 2 minutes until the mixture becomes thick and pale. Whisk in 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt until evenly combined. Stir in 2 tablespoons of Spanish brandy or oloroso sherry, if using, until the batter is smooth. Fold in 2 cups of almond flour in 2 additions until a smooth, pourable batter forms. Do not overmix. Scrape the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top to an even thickness. Tap the pan firmly on the counter 3 times to release large air bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 to 25 minutes, until the top is golden and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Transfer the pan to a rack and let it cool for 15 minutes. Using the parchment, lift the bar slab out and set it on the rack. Let it cool completely for about 30 minutes. Sift 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar evenly over the top. Trim the edges, then cut into 16 even bars with a sharp knife, wiping the blade between cuts. Plate the Tarta de Santiago almond bars and serve at room temperature. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. That is our Spanish Tarta de Santiago almond bars. If you liked this video, tap like, subscribe for more bakes, and turn on the bell so you never miss a recipe.